Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Belix. This is a simple video for interior light and door contact switch wiring for VW Beetle 1968. Alright guys, so this is the circuit diagram for 1968 Beetle sedan and convertible. They have the same wiring diagram. So this is our door contact switch, and there's another one here. There are two. Then this is our interior light. Now to wire the door contact switches, you only have one wire on each switch. So this right contact switch will run a wire which is a ground wire all the way through the hood and onto the left contact switch, which there will be a split on the left contact switch, and it will run, this action will run through the car's column and into the interior of the car and onto one terminal of the interior light. The interior light has three terminals, two grounds and one live. So on this one of the contacts on the ground side, you will ground it on the car body. The other side is where you will connect your left contact switch. Then the other side, which is the live, you will look for a live connection that is coming directly from the battery, so that you can always have the light on when the car is off. So this is a very simple wiring diagram, and for those who want to see it through the components, let's see how it works. Okay, so these are your components. This is how the door contact switch look like, and this is how the interior light looks like. So the interior light has three positions. So one position is over here, another one is over here, and the middle position. And the door contact switches actually has only one wire that comes from it, and the other side is this side is always fastened on the car body. So that's how it creates the switch. This is the back side. So we have two contacts for the ground and one contacts for live. So this is why now you connect your live wire onto a continuous power source, or onto a continuous power source. And then this other side is one side of the one side of the switch is where you'll connect now your connection coming from the connection coming from the door switches, and this other side is where you'll connect your ground to the body of the car. So when it is on the upper side, or whichever side you will choose, assuming now you want to have your door contact switches operating on the upper side. So when this switch is flipped upwards like this, it means now you are on this section of the wiring diagram. So then this means that if, assuming one of the doors is open, like this door is open, if this door is open, there is no pressure on this spring, so this one will be all out like this, and this contact will create a contact with this part that is fastened on the body. So it will complete the circuit and the light will come on. If this door is closed, this part will completely be in because there will be pressure on this spring, and so it will push away this contact away from this other metallic part that is fastened on the car body, and so it will create an open circuit. So this light will be off, and so is the other side. The right side will also work the same side. If the door is open, this spring will pull this contact, and it will have contact with this metallic part that is fastened on the body, and it will create a closed circuit, and it means the light now will come on. And if it's closed, it will create an open circuit. because this part will move away from this body and the light will go off. So if any one of these wires is, if both doors are closed, then there is no contact onto the body, and so the light will always off. Now, if you want to have the setting for on off for the interior light, that's when now you can use the lower part. So if you just flip this switch down here like this, it will create contact with the car body, and so it will light, it will create a continuous, it will complete the circuit, and so the light will come on. If you are in the middle position, there is no contact in the middle position, so it will always be off, whether the doors are on or I mean whether the doors are open or closed, the light will always be off. Okay, cool. So this is a very simple setup. You can always do it on your own, and if you're using a factory-made wiring harness, these three cables will be in the wiring harness, and it will come in one sheath or one insulation. So you'll have three wires, this live wire and the two grounds coming all the way. Okay, cool. So that's it. You can go and do your own connection. Get these parts easily from CIP1. You have your connection done. So thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have learned one or two things, and now you are confident to do your wiring for the door contacts and the interior. Have a great time, and God bless you.